my name is Christine. Welcome to my channel. Here you will see me just having fun with makeup. It's something I love and I've done for many years. Finally, I have the courage to share this with you guys. I hope you guys like it. If you do, let me know what you want to see more of, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I'm going to go in and apply a primer. Today I went shopping and I got a sample for Estee Lauder's primer. This feels very much like the Smashbox Photo Finish primer, where it has that like really silky feeling, kind of fills in your pores. Estee Lauder Double Wear, I'm in the shade 2W. The e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. It looks like this. I think it's $5. I just got it, I think 2 weeks ago. I swear it doesn't look as crazy when I do it, and there's not that much lighting and I look like a normal person. But okay, so next I kind of go in banana setting powder, and this is the brand. I got it from, so I kind of just put it under my eye and leave it there. Like that. Oh. So much cake. Banana cake. I'm so attractive right now. Then I kind of go in with my Medium Plus Mineralized Skin Finish Natural from MAC.
Just because it gives me a longer lasting finish. It gives me a matte finish, more coverage, and it lasts a long time. Okay, so we're gonna go in and blend out later. And I promise I will.
So I'm just gonna go ahead and use eyeshadow base. It's white from NYX. This is harder. This is harder than it seems. Okay. Next, I'm just gonna go in with the also another brush cover. And take the same brush from earlier, going with the same shade. This is a Sigma E40. Also another elf. I'm gonna go ahead and get this dark brown. The shade seems to be more on the yellow side, and golden tones, so it kind of goes with this look. Eyebrows, I am using the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal in the shade Brunette. blush brush. I also got this in an Ipsy subscription as well. I'm going to use this shade here. Then for highlight, I'm gonna use the Laura Geller Pink Champagne. It looks like this, kind of falling off, but basically that's what it looks like. I'm gonna use the Sigma taper brush.
I don't want to apply highlight anywhere else other than my cheekbones and a little bit on my teeth as well.
My lip balm that I've been wearing. I know your song was $47. Ah, it has like is it like a metallic kind of? It has a metallic finish. I would really wear like metallic finish. So I feel a little bit weird. I think I'm gonna put a gloss on. This is a lip balm, a watermelon lip balm. It's from Wish. I got it from Costco. And it came with a I know your song was actually, I don't really like it. I got this as a gift today as well. So cute, right? Alright guys, so this is the finished look after my hair is done. I hope you guys like it. Like it, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.